Oh, greetings. So, been asked by a few clients, what am I eating while I'm on the road? So I thought I'd give you a little view of a really simple dish that I'm making. I'm really excited. I've got my new stove out, so I'm going to be cooking on that. So let me show you what ingredients I'm using. Super simple, little pasta and bean dish. Check this out. Okay, so first of all, there's my knife, good old Stanley knife, perfect for cutting everything, including vegetables. A couple of tomatoes, pepper, I've got some barbecue seasoning, half a stock cube that I'm going to crumble in, clove of garlic, some cannellini beans, pasta, pepper, and of course olive oil. So those are the ingredients. Currently got the stove on, boiling some water for the pasta. I'm going to cook that first. Then once the pasta's done, as I've only got one pot, then I'll be making my sauce. And yeah, watch this space. Let's do it. So the water's boiled super quickly. It's a really quick stove this is. Pasta goes in, and off we go. Okay, so tomatoes, peppers, garlic, beans, they're ready to go. Pasta's cooking. Come on, pasta. Watch kettle never boils. Let's check on the peppers and tomatoes. Oh yeah, simmering nicely. So it's time to put the cannellini beans in. Give them a stir in. Try and do all this one-handed. Need a cameraman really. I'll leave that for a few minutes. Okay, let's check on it. Smelling great. Look at that. Delicious pasta and beans coming up. And there we have delicious pasta and cannellini beans. Finished with a bit of spicy sauce, olive oil and black pepper, why not? It's good to go. How about that, friends? Gourmet. Proof is in the pudding, as they say. Wow. That's the dog's bollocks, if I do say so myself. Well, that is episode 1 of Adam's On the Road Spanish soul food adventure cookery episode. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace out and plant power.